After listening to videos of spiritual gurus, we all feel very nice and energetic for some time. If that video has appealed us a lot, we might even talk with others about it. But reading and listening only satisfy our intellectual appetite. Everyone wants a spiritual success in their life. But with this worry, anger, negative thoughts, this spiritual success is not possible. It is a proven fact that if you want to achieve your long time goal, you have to first start with small baby steps. Living in present moment can give a significant shift about your individual and collective consciousness. Living in present moment can give you an opportunity to feel joy, freedom and peace in your life. An important part of Reiki is calmness and being aware of present moment. If we promise ourselves that I will not do this thing again, it will be little unrealistic, right? Reiki teaches us to live in a present moment and experience the richness of just for today. Dr. Mikao Usui, who is the founder of our Reiki healing, teaches us 5 Reiki principles just to apply for today. We are living in the universe and energy is everywhere in the universe. According to the law of attraction, whatever we wish, it will go back to the universe. Applying these 5 principles in our day-to-day life just for today will not only able to control and manifest our own energy but also help us to keep our chakras in a balanced state. First principle of Reiki is just for today, do not worry. We all worry for our children's future. We all worry about our financial security. Worry causes fear, anxiety and stress. And because of that, it imbalances our mind, body and spirit. I agree that worry will prepare you and remind you that something is coming up and you need to prepare for it. But constant worry will divert your attention from the present moment, which will create a tension in your physical body and which will imbalance your all chakras. Worry about what has happened in the past is useless. And worry about the future is also of no use because it is unknown. We are part of this universe. So leave this worry to the universe. Just for today means exactly the same thing. If we decide to do anything just for today, it will give us the energy to complete that task. Implementing this mantra in our day-to-day life will remind you that this fear, worry, stress, what we feel, isn't worth it. If you approach each and every day with positive minds and thoughts, it will be very easy for you to keep your worry just away just for today. Fear is a mind killer. Challenges will be there in the life, but it is very important how you are overcoming that challenges with your actions. If you start only worrying without taking any actions, it will channelize negative energy towards your thoughts, and that will have a deeper effect on our chakras. When we worry, we forget one thing, that there is a divine purpose for everything. Always try to be in a company of happy people. So it will help you to keep you away from worry. Try this just for today. The second Reiki principle is just for today, I will not be angry. Anger. Anger is a powerful emotion. Emotion is energy in motion. Expressing anger is necessarily not a bad thing. It gives us a signal that someone or something has perhaps crossed a boundary. Important thing is how you deal with your anger. For that you need to understand what is the trigger point of your anger or what is the root cause of your anger and how you regain a control on your emotions. Do not let go your anger or withholding it for longer time will lower your energy and vibrations. So, how to deal with it? Do we have to deny our feelings or pretend that we are not angry? No. We do not have to deny our reality or push away our feelings. You can acknowledge it or witness it and let it transfer. By acknowledging your anger and witnessing it, you are allowing energy to transfer and you are attracting love and compassion in your life. When you become angry, a person or a situation has a complete control over you. When you learn to respond it in a positive way, no one will able to take your power away. To practice this principle, see the positive aspect of it. The person who is making you angry actually helping you to practice your patience, tolerance and acceptance. Anger helps you to set a boundary for what is acceptable behavior for yourself and for others. This principle is a reminder to allow the anger to come up to the surface and dissipate it by its own time instead of judging it or shaming ourselves about it, which may just linger longer than necessary. Just for today again means focusing on the present day and not projecting too much into the future. Just for today, I will not be angry. The third Reiki principle is just for today, I will be grateful. We are always asking for more and always seeing what we don't have with us. Pause for a moment on a regular basis. Acknowledge and appreciate what you have. Make a list of 5 grateful things you have in your life. If you take a time to make a list of things or blessings you have in your life, you will be undoubtedly amazed that you have so many things to be thankful for. Okay, let us try for one day to be grateful for what we have in our life. Like a job, a car which takes you from one point to the another where you want to go, a roof on your head, a family who are loving you unconditionally and supporting you. Don't just count a materialistic thing. You can be thankful to the weather, the good night sleep or the beautiful moments with your family and friends. When we are grateful for what we have, we are attracting more better thing for us. Like a law of attraction, like attracts like and lack attracts lack. So stay positive and be grateful for what you have in your life. To be grateful means to be thankful to each and everything in your life which is there in abundance. The blessings that universe are giving us. Practicing just for today will be beneficial for yourself and for others. The fourth principle of Reiki is just for today. I will do my work honestly. This means that you should not cheat or steal at your work. You should not lie to your boss by calling him and informing him that I am sick when you are not. You should refrain from stealing the office stationery. It also means that you will show up values in your work which reflects your personalhood. Doing your work honestly will bring more purpose and meaning to your life. At the end of the day, you will feel good for yourself and much more fulfilled about your work. Honesty lives inside you. Being committed to your work does not mean that you are the owner of your actions, or it does not mean that you will work 24/7 per week without any breaks and without any personal life. It only means that when you are working, you should be fully present, serving others and giving your best. Just for today, focus and function at your highest capacity. Work at the best of your ability and honest to yourself and the people around you. The fifth Reiki principle is just for today, I will be kind to every living thing. An important spiritual principle of Buddhism, yoga, Reiki and many other practices is be kind towards others. When you are kind towards others, you are actually using your energy the way you are supposed to be. This Reiki principle reminds you that you have to be considerate about your surrounding and do not make any unnecessary harms to living things like food, people, plants, animals. Just for today, I will be kind with my neighbors and who are around me. Just for today, I will be kind to others and for every living things. When you are doing good things with others, we feel good to see a smile on their face. Experience it. Next time when you are kind to someone, pay attention how they feel. It is quite empowering and motivating to do all these things again and again. According to the karmic law, what we give, we receive. What goes around comes around. When we think positive thoughts, we are bringing more positive things in your life. But remember, this is same with negative things also or negative thoughts also. Be nice, caring and loving to everyone. If you live your life according to these 5 Reiki principles, you will feel more happier and even more healthier. By practicing these 5 principles, definitely reduce your stress and tension in your body. If you practice these 5 principles in the starting of the day or early morning, it will be helpful to manage the challenges of your day in a very nice way. If you want to take a printout of these 5 principles, there is an attachment below. You can take a printout and keep that printouts in your room so that when you wake up in the morning, you just go through that 5 principles and you will able to manage your day in a good way. I am sure by practicing these 5 principles daily in your life will definitely improve your life in a better way. Stress free, anger free, without any worry. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till my next video, do learn Reiki, do experience Reiki. Thank you.